Hello YouTube, today I'm going to make a video on sticky password. So first off guys, what you gotta do is click on For You. After clicking on For You, you can click on sticky pass for free. And now you have to get this app downloaded on your PC. You just wait a few seconds till you download it, and after it's done, you can just click on it and open it. So then you just click on yes, click on OK, and you finish the wizard. So you click on next, you click on I accept, and then install it. So guys, we just have to wait a few seconds till it installs the wizard, and just don't rush the things guys, take your time, and I think the app is really light and it should be done in 0 time. So here it is, and let's just launch the app. So guys, the app should be launched on your PC in 0 time. Don't try to panic, everything will be alright, like this. And now you see guys, here's the app. No more forgotten passwords with sticky password. Click on next guys, click on next again, click on next again, and let's just create a new account. So we have to enter an email. Here's my email, and create a master password. So guys, the master password is the one of the greatest passwords that this is the main password that you have. You have to memorize it real good and make it as strong as possible guys. Like cement guys, it's so strong, no one should be able to hack it. So look, you have to meet these criteria to do this password. So 1 uppercase letter, 1 lowercase letter, 1 numerical character, and at least 8 characters. So I will show you at kind of me now in this tutorial. I'll show you the great strategy to make a strong password. So now I will enter my password. So it's strong as 91%, and now I will make it 100% because I am the master tricker of the passwords. I'll just enter it once again and just click on this check mark. I understand that my master password is not stored anywhere. I am the one who only knows this. Don't worry guys, no one is spying on your PC. And you can turn on Cloud Sync, or you can turn it off. I'm gonna turn it off for now, and just wait a second till you go in. So you can have dark web monitoring powered by ARC. Protect your accounts by scanning the dark web for compromised credentials. Get these things. I don't want these things guys. And we can also get a browser extension, but we don't need it, so just skip it. So we also can use the free and the premium, but we'll just use the free one. So here it is. So now here guys, we have a quick access, a web accounts, app accounts, identities, bookmarks, secure memos, sharing center, and security dashboard. So for now guys, I'm just going to show you how to add web accounts, app accounts and identities and secure memos actually. So web account, it's really simple. You can like first let's name this like YouTube. The link is www.youtube.com. After that we can add a comment, but we don't need it. So the login is no, let's just say it's Joe and the goat at gmail.com. And the greatest advice that I can give you to make a really strong password, you can also generate a password guys, like just generate 20 character password. It could be this hard. I don't think that you remember it, but whatever guys, you can create it. But in my opinion, to make again such a strong password, like the strength can be 100. Let's say that this password, my 11 mom, it's not secure, it's weak, it's a weak password. And let's say that this was my password when I was little guys. So I guess it's strong, but my Minecraft account got hacked, and I don't think it was because my password was strong. So my advice for you guys is like let's say the email is Johan the Goat. So let's say the start is Johan 1 goat, but let's say the goat is with a capital G, goat again 1, and for the final and finishing touch to make it the best one, the best password possible, it's to set 2 exclamation marks in the end. It's 1 even is enough, but 2 for the dedication guys. So you can also set this password never expires or password expires on, and you may set a date, but we won't do that. Just click on that and we can launch YouTube and we can edit the account. So we can also add app accounts like Skype or whatever we want to. So this also this allows me to not show you the secure memos feature, but because it compensates. So maybe you would like to set your Fortnite account guys, so you can just click on browse, then select your Fortnite account and then set the email and the password and you will add it. But if you want to add it using secure memos, just click on add memo and just write it as Fortnite account ACC, and let's say that the Gmail is kids for life 33 at gmail.com, and your password is 123 tog 123 2 exclamation marks, and you just click on add and here it is. So Fortnite tag, you just click on display and here it is. sticky password, secure memo, Fortnite tag, kids4life33@gmail.com, and the password is 123tug123. So guys, let me just show you the paid plans for sticky passwords. So here is the pricing. So there are two types of plans. There is the $79.95, that is for lifetime, and you save 60% of your savings, which is, if not using the license, you just pay 199.95 euros, and for 1 year you just pay $90.95, which is a good price, and you get this app with perks included. And that was it for the video, guys. I hope that I've helped you, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.